Today we'll talk about how can you disable recommendations on your YouTube TV app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings here. You come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. You come to next step here, you come to recommendations, click in this sign or this color. So here you click on turn off. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my recommendations, notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.